Hello everyone and welcome to the next tutorial on our channel, The Power of Excel. In this video, we're going to demonstrate different sorting and filtering options which we have in Microsoft Excel and how we can apply them on different data sets in different scenarios. Also, towards the end of this session, we're going to announce the winner of the first question of the day contest we started a few days back, and also the question for the next question of the day contest. So keep watching this video. Microsoft Excel gives us a number of options to sort and filter data based on our requirements, as seen on the Excel sheet in front of you. Talking about the types of sorting possibilities, we have sort A to Z, through which we can sort data in ascending order in case the data is alphabetical in nature. Then sort Z2 is the reverse of it in case we want to sort the data in descending order, in descending alphabetical order. Then sort smallest to largest and sort largest to smallest are two standard sorting options in case we have numerical data and we want to sort them as per our requirement. Then you have something called as sort by cell value. So in case we want to go for a specific cell value and it's a categorical variable, then we can make use of this particular option to sort data by a specific cell value. Then sort by font color is another beautiful functionality which is provided by Microsoft Excel to sort data based on the color of the font. And in case we have done some kind of conditional formatting and we want to format data based on cell color or font color, then we can use the options given at 6 and 7 respectively. Sort by font color and sort by cell color. Very good options in case you want to sort data by color. Then you have a multi-level sort option in which we can select multiple attributes to actually sort the data. And then we can do sorting by cells conditional formatting icon. In case you have sorted the data conditionally and we have put together some kind of icons on specific cells based on the conditions, then we can even sort it based on the icon as well. And coming to the filter types, we have filter by cell value, filter by font color, filter by cell color, quite similar to what we had in case of the sorting options. Then you have filter by cells icon, again similar to the sort by cells conditional formatting icon, which was discussed a few minutes back. And then you have equals filter in case we want some data to be equal to something and we want to filter that data. In case we want to check whether that data does not equal to something, then we can use a does not equal to filter. So this is a kind of a text filter, both of them. Then you have begins with and ends with filters. In case the text to be filtered begins with a particular set of characters or ends with a particular set of characters. So if that is going to happen, then we can make use of this particular options. Then contains filter, that is if the data contains a specific set of characters anywhere, then we can use the contains filter as well. Does not contain filter is just the opposite of it. And then we have certain kinds of custom filters as well. Moving on to the demonstrations for these sorting and filtering options, we have put together a set of 7 demonstrations as listed on the right hand side. Starting with the very first one, that is sort by full name. So right now, if you see, the data has been sorted by roll number. And in case you want to sort the data by full name, you can go to the full name attribute, the full name column, do a right click and go to the sort option and go and select sort A to Z. We can do it through this way, or we can even use the custom filter options, custom sort options, which I'll be demonstrating in a few minutes time. Once you click on that, automatically the data gets sorted based on the full name, with the name starting with A coming at the top and the names down below are as per alphabetical order. So that is how it is. This is sorting by full name. If you want to sort by cell color, as you can see, there are 2 kinds of colors which we have put together in this data set, yellow and orange. So let's say we want to sort the data by yellow color. Again, we can select a cell which is there in yellow, and we can go to right click and go to sort. And then we'll say put the selected cell color on top. So when we do this, automatically the records or the rows which are there in yellow would get highlighted and would be there at the top of our table. So that is sort by cell color. Next is sort by highest values in the quiz 20 column, which is the last column here. So again, we can go and select this column and right click on this to sort data. And instead of sort A to Z, we'll go for sort Z to A, which is sorting from largest to smallest. That is in the descending order. So that is what we want here. You select this and automatically the data would get sorted in descending order. The next demonstration is about sorting based on section and full name. So this is the section data and this is the full name. So this is a multi-level sorting. And for doing that, we'll use the custom sort and filter option. And for doing that, this functionality is there on the top right corner of the home tab. That is sort and filter. Click on this and then click on custom sort. Once you click on custom sort, you can select the first as the section. I think I'll have to select the data first. So let me select the data and then I'll go back to this option. This is my data here. And I'll go to custom sort. I'll select the full name, the section first. And then I'll add another level because it's a multi-level sorting. So I'll add a level here and I'll select full name. So in the first case for section, I want the order to be A to Z, that is in ascending order alphabetically. Click OK. So once we do this, as you can see, we will have the data for the sections, one MBA 1 first, followed by one MBA 2, and then one MBA 3. And in each of them, the names are sorted in alphabetical order. As you can see, name starting with A coming at the top and names with V coming at the bottom of the list in case of one MBA 1. And similar is the case for one MBA 2 and one MBA 3 respectively. The next sorting, next we come to the filter options. So a few demonstrations for them as well. So filter records having names ending with Sharma. This is a text filter option here, which we'll be using in this particular case. And let's go to, we're talking about the full name here. So we'll select the full name and select the filter. And we'll do text filters and ends with. So this data is ending with the name Sharma or the surname. What we want is Sharma here. So what we'll do is enter the value Sharma in front of ends with. So full name ends with Sharma. So when we click OK, automatically the data which has Sharma as the last name would get filtered out, as you can see in front of you. Then the next is filtering records having cell color as orange. Again, that's very simple. So you can get hold of any record which is there in orange. And if I go to the filter option, the filter option will select orange color. And as we do this, automatically the records which are highlighted in orange get filtered out. This is filtering data by cell color. Then the last demonstration under this category is filtering records having subsection as 1TG1. This is the easiest of them all. This is based on cell values specifically. So I'll go to the subsection and I'll select all to deselect all the values. And then after that, we'll select 1TG1. Once you click on 1TG1, automatically the data which is having subsection as 1TG1 gets filtered out. These are a few demonstrations and the rest of them you can actually try as and when you require them. Now coming to a few applications of these sorting and filtering options which we have discussed. So in case we want to get access to specific data when a given attribute is categorical in nature, we can make use of the standard and text filter options. In case data is to be sorted based on certain conditions, for example, maximum sales on top, or let's say students with highest marks on top, etc., then we can again go for the standard sorting options for numerical values. In case we have a multi-level sorting requirement, for example, we want to sort data by section followed by roll number, then we can use the multi-level sort option in that particular case. And then in case there's a requirement to perform group functions such as average, sum, count, etc. on data, specific values of in a particular data, then we can actually use the standard sort options to group data based on value and then apply the functions such as average, count, sum, etc. In case you want to highlight data with specific font or cell colors, let's say we have applied some kind of conditional formatting based on certain conditions and parameters, and we want to highlight or segregate data based on font and cell colors, then we can use these custom sort or filter by color options to actually segregate or filter out data. Also, in case it is required to highlight and delete blank rows in our data, which can be there. So in case there are blank cells or blank rows in the data, which we wish to delete, then we can make use of all of these, all these sort and filtering options as we have discussed a few minutes back. And we can actually segregate the blank rows or the blank cells and then accordingly delete them as per our requirement. And last but not the least, in case we have some data where the text is beginning or ending with a specific set of characters, which can be the case in a typical organization environment, then we can make use of the text filter options as well. So that is it as far as the demonstrations and applications are concerned. And now is the time to announce the winner of the first question of the day contest we started a few days back. The question was, which function in Microsoft Excel can be used to find the monthly EMI amount? And the answer to the question is the PMT function. So the winner, the lucky winner for the first question of the day contest is Mr. Mayank Nagpal. Congratulations, Mayank. Well done. An exciting Amazon gift voucher is coming your way, so look out for it. And now the question for the next question of the day contest. Question is, name two applications or functionalities which can be used to avoid mixed referencing style in Microsoft Excel. I repeat, name two functions, tools, or functionalities in Microsoft Excel which can be used to avoid the mixed referencing style. Post your answers in the comment section, and I look forward to answering this question in the next tutorial. If you have enjoyed our video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.